Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering what the mod needs: a mod-capable Assetto Corsa install, a CarPlay-capable device or emulator, and Content Manager. Once you have backups, install Content Manager and enable custom shaders and apps so mods load correctly. Make sure your Apple device is set to trust the computer and that any virtual CarPlay tool is configured to expose an audio/video output. This first step prevents conflicts later and gives you a clean baseline to install the CarPlay overlay. Now you install the overlay and connect the systems. First, place the mod files into Assetto Corsa's Apps or Skins folder, then use Content Manager to import and enable the mod. This ensures proper registration with the game. Next, configure the overlay to receive audio/video from your Apple device or virtual CarPlay app, mapping touch/joystick inputs to Assetto Corsa controls. Once done, launch a test session to verify the HUD appears, and that input focus switches between. To finish, run a full test session and adjust placement, scale, and latency so the CarPlay UI is readable while driving. Make sure audio routing and input mapping feel responsive. If needed, lower resolution or disable conflicting overlays to reduce CPU/GPU load. If it fails to appear, recheck USB trust prompts, firewall rules, and that the mod supports your Assetto Corsa build. One tip: revert to your backup. Update one component at a time, and note the exact versions that work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.